Good morning, traders. It's my joy and pleasure being with you. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci System. If you were in the trading room for the last few days, you knew well in advance. This is ultimate buy point. This is the best day by far. November 29, November 30th. You know days and hours in advance. This will be war zone. This is where you expect powerful selling pressure. You also know many hours in advance that this is critical support where you're expecting institutions to step in with vengeance. If I convert this chart to 5, this is a system in front of you with everything identified in advance. This was the open, correct? This is what students have done. Many of the students just started the course few weeks ago. Look at this. Jordan. Only Jordan and I know what a challenging environment Jordan is. He's killing it. Stunning work. Few classes only. I applaud you, Jordan. Breathtaking, flawless. 5.25 points on S&P. Few classes only. 1 point on S&P, $50. 5 points on S&P, 1 lot, $250. 10 lots, $2,500. 20 lots, $5,000. How many points do you need? Not many. What you need is quality trading. Phong, 25 points, Dow. Brilliant, stunning, fantastic. Phong trading, very different instrument. Phong has very different circumstances, very different two traders, very different accounts, very different experience. And when Jason steps in, with whom I'm meeting right after trading room, he chooses to trade metals. Jason loves volatility. Jason loves when price constantly moving. He's trading silver and copper. In 10 years of doing this, I've never had a student who trades copper. That's Jason's personal choice. Absolutely stunning, phenomenal, incredible work. Jordan complaining, oops, runner got killed. My goodness, after a couple of classes, guess where Jordan will be next month? This is serious effort of incredible trader after few classes only. Brad, a legend. 4.25 points. Brad always inspiring others. Brad tried for 20 years before. This is phenomenal work. As Brad shares, beautiful, stunning work during the most challenging markets. As Jordan joking, can't take the credit, just doing what my mentor told me to do. Phenomenal, breathtaking work, everyone, during the most challenging market conditions. These are the traders who are obeying the rules. If these traders can do it, so can you. When you choose your gems very, very carefully. And if I take you back to institutional chart, these traders know that this is the most challenging market conditions as institutions holding positions. And until institutions will continue holding positions, markets will become more challenging. And if they will decide to hold positions for months and years, trader will be tested to the core. This was easy, where 30, 50, hundreds of trades per day at institutional trend inception continued since March 23rd during the worst crisis, the best bullish rally of 40 plus years. This is easy to enter. This is not. If these traders can do this now, imagine what's possible in easy market conditions. The sky's the limit. Every trader, different account. Every trader, different instrument. You decide what you want to trade. So this is Brad's November performance. Look at this, 100%. Trader who tried for 20 years before. This is what Brad delivers with Alpha Fibonacci System. And this is very humble, very genuine email. What matters is accuracy, much, much more than point count. So I highly encourage you to join our trading room. I highly encourage you to view and see what traders do all over the world. Please listen to Brad's podcast. Please see what Brad had accomplished after a journey of 20 years and how his life has changed with Fibonacci Trading Institute. And every single day I receive more and more emails from all over the world. I look forward to receive your email. These are the traders who are making an effort. They trade with institutions, choosing their gems very, very carefully. So simply choose from 4 options available to you. This is lifetime system for any platform or lifetime software for Ninja 8. All the classes are live, videos, modules included. In private mentoring, I hold your hand. I spell out multi-million-dollar trade that I taught to JP Morgan trader. I mentor institutional traders. And what I teach to JP Morgan traders, I teach much more to my incredible students. So if you're serious about trading, I look forward to working with you, because markets will become much more challenging. Very few gems are present. So if my incredible students do this well, so can you. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply click on Contact Us section and call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Ultimate simplicity, ultimate precision during the worst market conditions. You can master this market. You can trade anything. And that's overextended rally with incredible traders on very challenging morning.